Hey Snapchat fans! What if you could create your own games with your Bitmoji? Snapchat's dropping epic new tools to make it happen. Welcome to GadInsider. Let's jump in. Snapchat's Lens Studio just got a massive upgrade with tools to build Bitmoji games and customize your avatar like never before. Want to know how to create your own AR masterpiece? Keep watching. Alright, let's dive into the big news. On May 3rd, 2025, Snapchat announced a game-changing update to Lens Studio 5.10, packed with new tools for AR creators to build Bitmoji games. Plus, they're rolling out a Bitmoji suite to supercharge your avatar's style and animations. This is huge for Snapchat's 375,000 strong creator community. So what's new? Lens Studio 5.10 introduces game assets that let developers create dynamic game lenses. According to sources, Snap's adding a turn-based system for back-and-forth gameplay so you can snap a challenge to your friends and keep the action going in the same game. Plus, there's a customizable character controller supporting multiple gameplay styles like first-person, third-person, side-scroller, or top-down. Talk about versatility. Now let's talk Bitmoji Suite. This bad boy lets you personalize your Bitmoji with custom outfits, stylized props, and animations from Snap's library. Want your Bitmoji to rock a unique fit or wield a crazy prop? You can design and animate it all, making your games and lenses pop with personality. Snapchat's also dropping a new single-player and turn-based Bitmoji game lens for everyone to try, like Bitmoji Bistro, Bitmoji Buckets, and Beatmoji Blast. These are perfect for challenging your friends or just having fun solo. And for creators, there's a sweet bonus. Snap's hosting a Bitmojiverse challenge where developers using the Bitmoji suite and game assets can win cash prizes. With these tools, Snapchat's empowering creators to build immersive, shareable experiences, whether you're a pro developer or just starting out. Lens Studio makes it easier than ever to create something epic. So, are you ready to design your Bitmoji game or spice up your avatar? Which new lens are you trying first? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We're hyped to see what you create. If you're stoked for more tech and gaming updates like this, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to join the GadInsider squad.